Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Ruike knives P-831 SF here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get into this knife over here. It's really cute. I like it. It's slim, it's simple, it's sleek. The action is not... Yeah, it's not. So, I don't know. I just got this since you guys requested me to get to do some reviews of some cheap stuff. So there you have it. And let's see. We are gonna need like a T8, I guess, for the pivot. Yes, and I am assuming a T6 for the handles. Right. Yes. So let's see if these guys are spinning. I probably think so. But actually, no, not spinning. That's a very good thing. So you notice that this screw was just right underneath the clip, which is interesting. So we're not going to remove the clip. So that's 1 and 2. All right. And then we're just going to remove the pivot right over here. Also pivot color, guys. Would you look at that? This is very, very interesting indeed for a budget knife. So we have a set of Teflon washers and phosphorus bronze washers, and also you can notice there's some internal skeletonization going on to a certain degree, of course, but still this is an interesting one. So basically, Teflon washer is up against the frame. All right, and actually, guys, no, this is not Teflon. This is some kind of plastic. I don't think it's Teflon, but this is definitely phosphor bronze, and it's up against the blade. Yeah, that's for sure. Very, very thin. Like, wow, that's thin. Like that. And then let's just remove all of this. So we're gonna do just a nice cleanup. So plastic up against the titanium, and the phosphorus bronze, it's going up against the blade. Let's just clean this area. Stop pin is right there. Pretty straightforward, guys. So this guy goes here, and then we've got this one. So for this one, I'm thinking to use some lighter weight nano oil, or let's do also 10. Let's try 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we've got that, and then our blade, it's right over here. So you see also nicely D-shaped pivot, so we're gonna have to just align it because it's keyed in on this side, so this has to match when you just put that in. And here you have your stop pin, like so. And then we said this guy is here, and just a little bit of nano oil also, and here you go. Also on that side you can just push it down, made it adhere like so, and that's good to go, guys. I mean, pretty straightforward process here. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. I really appreciate this pivot color, guys. Look at that. So this one can just be like that. We're gonna adjust it in a second. And now this guy goes right over here, and this one also goes right over here. Let me see. Oh yeah, because of the clip, of course. It's a weird construction, actually. So let me do things by the book. So we're just gonna just remove this pocket clip, right? Wow, this is extremely tight. So let me see if I can actually manage to screw this guy back like so. Yeah, actually it works, and this works too. Now let's check this pivot here. That's fine. And let's do this side up to its like dead center with no blade play. Ooh, now it's smooth, guys, and we're gonna just do a tiny bit of heavier weight nano oil for the detent because we like to do so. Just like that, just a micro drop. And let's see. Oh, I can already tell. Actually, guys, this is, look at this. Not so much opening action. I like it. Closing action up to this point I like. This point I don't like because it requires a little bit too much of a wiggle. But overall, it has improved. Not so much in the closing. In the opening, it's smoother. The tactile feel, it's really good. It's not still perfect, but we are on the right path. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.